The input-output transfer function of a part h of s equal to 100 by s into s plus 10 whole square. The plant is placed in a unity negative feedback configuration as shown in the figure below. The gain margin of the system under closed loop unity negative feedback is. The second question is the signal flow graph that does not model the plant transfer function h of s is. Okay, we'll start from here. Here he has given h of s is this one. Okay, and what is he asking? Gain margin. A very regular question in GATE. Gain margin, phase margin, gain crossover frequency, phase crossover frequency. These four parameters are very important for GATE exam. Okay, in control system this topic is very important. First of all, note this. What is gain margin? I represent it by GM. Gain margin is equal to 1 by G into H at omega equal to omega PC. That is, gain margin is calculated at phase crossover frequency. This is the formula for gain margin. Okay. Okay, what is phase margin? Phase margin formula is, here it is not used, but this is an important question for exam. Phase margin is also important. Okay. Phase margin is equal to 180 plus angle GH at omega equal to omega GC. What is GC? Gain crossover frequency. Okay. This is gain margin, this is phase margin. So for both phase crossover frequency and gain crossover frequency are important. For gain margin we use phase crossover frequency, for phase margin we use gain crossover frequency. In this, okay, first of all, what is GH? See, anytime we have a control system, then G of s into H of s or GH is this one. So open loop transfer function which say G into H is the open loop transfer function, that is G into H. Here in place of G what he has given? H of s. Okay. So GH is what? 100 by s into s plus 10 whole square. Okay. Now for us what is GH? In our case GH is 100 by s into s plus 10 whole square. Okay. First what should we calculate for gain margin? For gain margin 1 by GH at omega equal to omega PC, that is phase crossover frequency. Therefore omega PC we should calculate. What is phase crossover frequency? Means at which frequency the phase is crossing 180 degrees. Okay. So for this, what is the frequency at which it is crossing 180 degrees? That we should calculate. So convert it into G of j omega, H of j omega. That is S domain is transferred to frequency domain. 100 by tell j omega. S is nothing but j omega. J omega plus 10 whole square. What is the angle? The angle of GH is equal to 1 by j omega, means minus 90 degrees. Okay. This has what is the angle? Tan inverse omega by 10 whole square, means 2 times. Minus, since it is in denominator you will get minus 2 times tan inverse omega by 10. Right. It is like a plus ib, then angle is tan inverse b by a. Okay. Imaginary part by real part. And 2 poles are there, therefore into 2. At which frequency this goes to 180 degrees? That is the question, right? Plus 180 or minus 180 are both one and the same. So I will write minus, since it will cancel this both. You can do this with plus 180 also. Answer will be the same. Okay. 2 tan inverse omega by 10 equal to 180 minus 90 by 2. 180 minus 90 is 90 by 2 is 45 degrees. Means what? Omega is how much? Tan 10 times tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. Therefore omega equal to 10 radian. Okay. What is this omega? This is omega PC, phase crossover frequency. Therefore at this point we should calculate GH, and 1 by GH is the answer. Therefore substituting in this. Substitute in this. Okay. Okay. Here gain margin is 1 by GH at omega equal to omega PC, and that to magnitude. Okay. We want the magnitude. Therefore the magnitude is what is required. So what can we say here? 100 by 10 is the magnitude for J10, and for here 10 square plus 10 square, and this is whole square. Right. Therefore this is 1 by 20. Therefore what is gain margin? Gain margin equal to 1 by what? GH at omega equal to omega PC. that is equal to 1 by 20. Okay, therefore 20 is the answer, gain margin. But gain margin is generally given in dVs. See here, dV, dV, dV. Okay, so 20 log how much? Gain margin. Gain margin in what? dV is equal to 20 log gain margin linear scale, that is 20 into log 20. Okay, this we'll calculate. 20 into 20 log how much? 26.02. 26.02 dV. This is the answer, right? Therefore 26 dB is the correct answer. Therefore C is the correct option. Okay, now always practice these questions because it is very important. Gain margin, phase margin, gain crossover frequency, phase crossover frequency. I'll write here gain margin, phase margin, gain crossover frequency, phase crossover frequency. Phase crossover frequency used for gain margin calculation, and omega GC, gain crossover frequency, used for phase margin. Okay, even you don't understand control system, somehow just learn all these 4 parameters how to calculate and practice some questions. Okay, now we'll see what is this one. He's saying the signal flow graph that does not model the H of S. What is H of S? If you remember, H of S he has given is 100 by S into S plus 10 whole square, right? Now you should check which of the following does not give this. Okay, that is the what he is asking. This is a basic question on Mason's gain formula, right? Mason's gain formula, yeah. Okay, we'll check the option A first. Okay, what does the Mason's gain formula say? Take the forward path first, that is the numerator. Okay, that is 100 by S cube is the forward, 1 by S into 1 by S into 1 by S into 100 by S cube. Okay, and by what? 1 minus sum of individual loops. Sum of individual loop gains is this one, minus 10 by S into minus 10 by S. This is the loop, right? This is the loop I am talking about. This is minus 10 by S into minus 10 by S plus minus 10 by S. How much? 20 by S. Therefore this is plus 20 by S. Okay, and next what it says? Product of two non-touching loops plus product of two non-touching loops, that is 10 by S into 10 by S is how much? 100 by S square. Okay, simplify this. What you will get? That is nothing but 100 by S cube by S square I am taking common here. Therefore S square plus 20S plus 100, right? That gives 100 by S into S plus 10 whole square. Therefore this is satisfying it. Okay, for the B option we will see here. For the B, what he is saying? First, Mason's gain formula, numerator is nothing but the product of the forward loop gain. Okay, forward loop is 1 by S into 1 by S into 1 by S into 100, that is 100 by S cube. Okay, by sum of individual loop gains. There is one loop here and another loop here. Okay, therefore 1 minus 20 by S, therefore it becomes 20 by S. Then again minus 100 by S square, this loop, that is plus 100 by S square. And the next one is sum of product of two non-touching loops. These both are touching loops, therefore that's it. This gives 100 by S cube by S square, take common, S square plus 20S plus 100. Therefore this is how much? 100 by S into S plus 10 whole square, right? Okay, therefore this is also okay. See here, we are getting this one exactly as H of S, this one also exactly as H of S. Therefore both these answers are correct. Now we will check the third one. Where shall we check the third one? We shall check the third one here, right? Is it okay? Yeah. Now what is the Mason's gain formula, first product of this one, forward loop gain. Forward loop gain is 100, 1 by s into 1 by s into 1 by s into 100. That is 100 by s cube. By how much? First 1 minus sum of individual loop gains. Individual loop is 1 and another 1 individual loop. Therefore, this is how much? Minus 20 by s. That is minus 20 by s. And another one minus 100 by s square, right? Therefore, what can this be? This is equal to 100 by s cube by s cube, s square I can take common. Therefore, this is here minus of minus plus and this is also plus, right? Therefore, I can neglect this. Therefore, s square plus 20s plus 100. That is equal to how much? 100 by s into s plus 10 whole square. Therefore, this is also perfectly fine. Okay. This one is okay. Use the Mason's gain formula, then you are getting it directly. Here also Mason's gain formula direct. We shall check the fourth one. I'll redraw the fourth one, that is better. Here he has given something like this. Okay. 100, 1 by s, 1 by s and 1 by s. And from here he is giving loop minus 100 loop. Okay, this is u, this is y. So Mason's gain formula says what? First forward loop gain, that is this one, 100 by s cube by 1 minus what? Individual loop gains. Individual loop is only 1. Therefore, minus 100 by s square. So what will this be? 100 by s cube by 1 plus 100 by s square. This gives how much? 100 by s into s square plus 100, right? Therefore, this is not h of s. h of s is 100 by s into s plus 10 whole square. Therefore, D is the correct option here. Means it is not satisfying the h of s. Okay, you understood? Just Mason's gain formula, the first chapter of control system. Okay, here gain margin, this question is very important. Remember this.